Happy Friday and welcome to the Friday Snapshot. So quick rundown on everything. We are in front of a holiday weekend. You're probably ready to get out the door. I know I am. I've got on my holiday American flag, lipstick. Anyway, so here's the news. Here's what happened this week. We had some good news. PCE today, what this is it's one of the biggest inflation reports. It showed that it rose less than expected for the month of May. Remember, we're always looking backwards. So in May, it only rose 0.1%. It was expected to be double that. So that was good news. That's a significant improvement. And then look at this, inflation year over year. So this is like comparing now to a year ago, or May of 2023 to May of 2022. We are now at 3.8. Compared to last month, that was 4.3. We're at 3.8. The peak last year was at 7%. So we're almost at the halfway point, which is, thank God. Let's see, a couple of other quick things this week. CoreLogic, the Case-Shiller report came out. It was down by 0.2 in April compared to 2022. So compared to a year ago, but from May to June, it was up 0.5%, 0.5 month to month. That's only 2.4% below where home prices were a year ago. Now, that's pretty good, especially for those buyers who were thinking that prices are going to crash. There's no crash, 2% less than last year. So that's a good sign. You guys probably know a lot of this data already. I'm just going to run through it real fast. Pending home sales were down 2.7 from April. So that's a May report. We don't have May numbers yet. Falling in all regions. New home sales were up. Well, we know why this is. We know why pending home sales are down. There's less inventory. New home sales are up because they have product. They have houses on the ground. And that's up 12% compared to April and up 20% compared to May. So builders are putting out product, and that's really good news. Mortgage applications rose 3%. Y'all probably don't care too much about that, but just 2 weeks ago, we heard that they were at the worst levels since 1995. So that's like before the financial crisis. So any little bit of improvement, we're happy to see that. Consumer confidence. I don't know about you. Nobody's ever called me and asked me about my confidence in the economy, but they do this survey and consumers say that they are confident. It grew to, I think it was 109%. So next week, what's on tap? Monday, the markets are partially closed. They're open till 2 p.m. Tuesday, everything is closed. No business, no banks are open, no Federal Reserve, nobody's open. At the end of the week, next week, it's the first week of the month, we'll start getting payroll data. Payroll data, so this is jobs reports, wages, and the earnings. That can impact mortgage rates, can impact the mortgage bonds. So we'll be on the lookout for that. And then I wanted to share this really interesting thing with you. I'll insert the graphic here too, but I'm just going to read it. 1992 was the third largest birth year. And you may be wondering why I'm talking about babies being born. But when we look at birth years, we can forecast what's going to happen as far as future home buyers. And we know that 31 to 33 is that sweet spot of home buyers. So in 1992, it was the third largest birth year for millennials. It was only beat by 90 and 91. And their home ownership rate is less than 40%, which is unusual. So I'm going to drop the chart in here. And if you guys want it, in a graphic, just let me know. Anyway, that was this week, and that's next week. If I can help you with anything, please give me a shout. I am in town this weekend, so I'll be happy to help you out. Just give me a shout. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe 4th of July weekend, and God bless America.